Are you looking for a HomePod mini review? In this video, I'm talking about the pros and cons of this compact Apple smart speaker. Coming up! Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. Today, in this Apple HomePod mini review, I'll share my pros and cons about this device. Check out the link in the description below for the latest pricing. I purchased the HomePod mini and I've been using it for the last several weeks. First, let's look at the pros. The Home app serves as a control center for your smart home. You can access Siri with the HomePod mini and then control other enabled devices within your home, like the lights, temperature controls, locks, and more. The Home app is also where you can access the HomePod settings. The HomePod mini can be used to control your Apple TV as well. If you want to listen to free content on the HomePod mini, you can listen to Apple Music One live radio or search for broadcast radio stations from around the world. You can find all of this inside the Apple Music app. You can also connect your Pandora account to the HomePod mini and create shortcuts to call up your favorite Pandora stations. If you'd rather listen to podcasts, your podcast subscriptions are also available via Siri. Another free option is different environmental sounds. Just ask Siri to play any of the following sounds: ocean, white noise, rain, forest, night, or fireplace. You can access more music if you have a paid Apple Music subscription. Siri will also play music from your downloaded music library. I noticed that if I ask Siri to play jazz, for example, it will play all the jazz music in my library. Overall, I think the audio quality is good for a speaker of this size. It uses 360-degree audio to send the sound out in all directions. The sound is well balanced with a high crisp end and a good bass. The Apple HomePod mini is very easy to operate. You can activate everything using your voice with the Hey Siri command, or you can use the tap control on top of the device. You have quick information access with Siri. You can ask Siri questions like, "What's the weather today?" "What's the latest news?" or "Where's my iPhone?" Now there's 4 more pros that you need to know about, but first, if you're receiving value from this video, please like it and subscribe to ProFit Hearing. Comment below, which of these features are you most interested in? You can set an alarm or put music on a timer. For example, you can tell Siri stop playing after 45 minutes. You can also have the HomePod mini wake you up with music if you're subscribed to Apple Music. HomePod mini works independently of other devices. It connects directly to your iCloud account and it can access your music library or other audio sources. You can change the default service under Home settings in the Home app. This setting determines which source to use for audiobooks, podcasts, and music. You can also stream audio from an Apple device using AirPlay over your home Wi-Fi network to any HomePod mini. You can easily send your music or phone call from your iPhone to your HomePod mini and back. Just bring your iPhone close to the HomePod mini and it will transfer over Wi-Fi. Do that again and the audio will transfer back to your iPhone. The HomePod mini is the perfect size for a desk or nightstand. It can easily sit on a bookshelf and be out of the way, but it's always accessible with your voice using the Hey Siri command. Okay, so let's look at the cons. The HomePod mini requires an electrical outlet to work. It does not have the option to run on batteries. So this is not a good option for people who want a portable speaker. The HomePod mini is designed to be used at home over a Wi-Fi network. You need to use the HomePod mini with other Apple products to enjoy the full functionality of this device. So look elsewhere if you're an Android user. So should you purchase a HomePod mini? Well, I think it's best suited for 2 groups of people. First, those who are already in the Apple ecosystem. It's a great addition for people who are already using Apple products like Apple Music, iPhones and iPads, and Apple Watch or Apple TV. HomePod mini integrates very well with these other Apple devices and services. The voice control with Siri makes listening to music and getting information effortless. Second, the HomePod mini is best suited for those who want smart home functionality and control. It will give you access to voice-controlled home automation and can be configured within the Home app. Also, several HomePod minis can be placed throughout your home to work together for not only control over other smart home devices, but also for music listening, and it can serve as an intercom system. So, what do you think about the HomePod mini? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Check out the notes in the description below and connect with us on social media. Be a part of the ProFit Hearing community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.